Hello guys, that's Chris from CoffeeRussian.com, and a lot of students have been asking me, is it possible to learn the Russian language on your own? And my honest answer is yes, that's definitely possible, but if you start from very beginning, if you start from very basics, that will be very overwhelming, painfully, and confusing. That's why for, almost half a year, I've been working on this super cool course for absolute beginners who would like to get this first help on their Russian adventure and then continue studying on their own. So what is this course about? It will be 4 weeks of very intense Russian learning. It's a live course. It is not pre-recorded. It's a live course with a small, very mini group, 8 people max. We will meet twice a week, Saturday and Sunday, for 2.5 hours, and we will speak Russian a lot, every meeting. So what we will cover on this course? We will cover the first basic grammar you need in order to basically communicate using Russian language. And I will structure for you everything that we have in Russian language according to grammar and what you actually need. And trust me guys, Russian grammar is overwhelming, really intense, but in order to start, you don't need to be overwhelmed. You can start very slow, take the very basics, and then slowly grow your progress. And I will show you where to start, what to learn first, and we will practice it together a lot. And after the course, you will have a really good understanding, a structured understanding what you need to study first, and when and how you can understand that you can move further and take something new. Speaking about vocabulary, I've prepared, their package of words, 200 plus words that we will master during this course. After the course, you will feel absolutely fluent using these words, and they will help you to maintain the basic conversations in Russian. And that means that you will be not afraid to speak, because now you have this little foundation of words, of vocabulary you actually can use in order to, make your answers and understand what their person is telling you. Also, during the course, I will teach you 5 super useful techniques that I personally use myself in order to learn Japanese, because yes, I'm learning Japanese, to grow your vocabulary. These 5 techniques, I'm not only going to present you them, we are going to use them throughout all the course together. And by the end of the course, you will understand how to use them by yourself. Using these techniques, you will not need to suffer when you learn new vocabulary. You will basically turn it into an interesting game, like an interesting hobby that you can basically include in your everyday routine. Thirdly, you will get rid of your speaking barrier. Basically, we will speak a lot. There will be only 8 people in the groups, and I will guide you through this progress. You will work with me one-on-one. You will work one-on-one with some other students and participants during this course. We will have a lot of discussions, debates, basically different exercises, and all of it for 4 weeks, 8 meetings, every meeting 2.5 hours. So you will get rid of your speaking barrier, language barrier. You will understand that you can speak Russian, that it's not that scary. And most importantly, you will have this foundation of grammar and vocabulary you need in order to maintain these basic conversations. And here is the 4th bonus. For every student, by the end of the course, when I think I will know you guys all pretty good by this time, I will build a personal review for every separate student individually. In this review, I will let you know what are your strengths in learning Russian language and what techniques I recommend personally to you, where you need to focus and what you need to take first. Basically, I will prepare you a plan for your future self-studying. So even when you go after the course to learn Russian on your own, you will be guided and you won't feel lost. So let's summarize. This course is for 4 weeks, 2 meetings every week on Saturday and Sunday, 2.5 hours every meeting. This course starts on January 19, which is Saturday, and finishes on July 11, which is Sunday. Every meeting will start at 8 p.m. Moscow time. And most of you guys are in America, judging by my YouTube analytics, and that means that will be morning for you. But for guys in Europe, that will be early in the morning. And right now, here is an early price available, which is $75 for the whole course. And this price is available until 22nd of May. After this date, it is $100 for the whole course. And by whole course, I mean, well, 8 meetings plus the homework. And I will create a group chat where I will, well, basically contact you through the week to see that you guys have no problems with your homework, no questions about the material. Plus, you will have the records of every session, and this record will be available for you even after the course is finished. Plus, you can ask me any questions through the course. You will have my full support. Plus, you will have this personal review by the end of the course with your future studying. And here is one more great thing about the price. I am absolutely sure in the quality of my course. So guys, for those of you who will participate, if you by any reason don't enjoy the course after the first meeting, you will get the full refund, no questions asked, and no hard feelings. Remember guys, that is a small group I'm willing to take because I want to give a lot of attention to every participant in order to do my best for every person who will attempt the course. That's why only 8 people can participate in this group. If 8 people are signed, their signing in process is closed, and for those of you who won't participate in the course, you will have to wait until the end of this course. And this is it, guys. I hope you like this idea, and for those of you who would like to participate, or if you have any questions about the course, I will leave my contacts in the description of this video. Please send me a message and I will be really helpful to answer all of your questions and send you all the extra information you need about this amazing course. I'm really proud of it. It's really cool. Okay, guys, see you all. Bye-bye.